Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0221 indicates an issue with the Throttle Position Sensor B, which measures the angle of the throttle valve. This sensor plays a critical role in engine management by providing the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, with information about throttle position. When the output voltage of Sensor B falls outside the specific range, the PCM detects this anomaly and logs the diagnostic trouble code. The affected components in this scenario include the throttle body, external circuits, and the PCM itself. The TP sensor is integrated into the throttle body, located near the intake manifold, while the PCM is usually located in the engine bay, connected to various engines and systems. Understanding the interaction between these components is essential for effective troubleshooting. The DTC P0221 specifically relates to the Throttle Position TP Sensor B, indicating that its output voltage is either below 0.48 volts or above 4.61 volts. This signal is essential for the PCM to maintain optimal engine performance. Thus, the error can lead to malfunctioning engine operation. The sensor is crucial in determining how much air and fuel enter the engine. And an out-of-range reading indicates a significant issue with the throttle body or connected circuits. The PCM recognizes this fault as an abnormal condition, which could potentially impact other systems in the vehicle. This makes timely diagnostics and repairs essential to prevent further issues. Several factors can lead to the P0221 error code. A faulty throttle body may result in improper readings from the TP Sensor B, as this component directly affects how the throttle position is communicated to the PCM. Damaged external circuits, including power supply lines and ground connections, can also cause incorrect voltage readings. These circuits include VCC3, THL2, and SG3, which are essential for the TP sensor to function correctly. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM could be to blame, especially if the other components function normally. Identifying the root cause from these possibilities is key in resolving the issue effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC P0221 can manifest in various ways. One of the most common indicators is a hesitating engine or unusual acceleration behavior, as the engine struggles to receive the correct throttle position signals. Drivers may also notice a check engine light illuminated on the dashboard, prompting attention to engine performance issues. In severe cases, the vehicle may experience poor acceleration, making it challenging to maintain speed or respond adequately to throttle input. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial for ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0221 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This step is vital for accessing the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, usually monitored through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Once in this mode, it's essential to check the TP Sensor B values. If these values are less than 0.48 volts or more than 4.61 volts, this indicates a malfunction that needs further examination. Observing these values helps determine whether the problem originates from the TP sensor itself or from connected components. Diligently following this step allows technicians to confirm whether the reported issue is being duplicated. In the second step of troubleshooting for DTC P0221, the focus shifts to inspection of the throttle body connection. This involves disconnecting the throttle body 6P connector and measuring the output voltage. The normal expected voltage reading should be approximately 5.0 volts when the ignition is in the on mode. If this reading is confirmed, It indicates that the throttle body is likely functioning correctly. However, if the reading is abnormal, the issue could lie within the throttle body itself or its associated components. Identifying whether the throttle body is operational is crucial before moving on to other diagnostic avenues, ensuring efficient problem resolution. The third step involves inspecting the external circuits that are critical for the TP Sensor B operation. This entails checking the VCC3, THL2, and SG3 circuits, specifically for any open wires which could prevent proper communication. Since these circuits are integral for power supply and signal processing, continuity checks can be performed while the throttle body 6P connector and the PCM connector E, 80P, are disconnected. A normal condition is indicated by having less than 1 ohm resistance. If any of these circuits present abnormalities, it's likely that the circuit integrity has been compromised, impacting the reliability of the signal being sent to the PCM. This step is crucial for identifying wiring issues that could lead to failures. The fourth troubleshooting step revolves around checking for shorted circuits, which might impact the TP Sensor B readings. After disconnecting the relevant components, short-to-ground tests should be conducted on the THL2 circuit. The expected outcome is that the THL2 should not be shorted. Conducting this thorough inspection helps identify if any grounded connections are interfering with circuit integrity. If a short is detected, further investigation and repairs will be necessary to correct the condition. This diagnostic step is essential in eliminating circuit-related issues, ensuring that the TP sensor operates within specified parameters and communicates accurately with the PCM. The fifth step in diagnosing DTC P0221 focuses on inspecting the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM serves as the brain of the engine management system, interpreting data from various sensors to control engine performance. If the previous inspections of the throttle body and associated circuits indicated normal conditions, but the issue persists, the PCM is likely the root cause of the problem. Ensuring that the PCM is functioning properly is vital, as any failure in this component can lead to a cascade of performance issues throughout the vehicle. Once the PCM is confirmed as the problem, replacing or reprogramming it may be the solution needed to rectify the anomalies observed. In the final repair verification stage for DTC P0221, it's essential to confirm that all repaired components are functioning correctly. This involves conducting a final inspection of the throttle body, circuits, and PCM to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Once verification is complete, technicians should clear the DTC from the system to reset the onboard diagnostics. After clearing the code, a retest should be performed to confirm that the DTC does not reappear and that the vehicle operates as intended. This step is crucial to ensure that the repairs conducted were effective and that the vehicle is now safe for driving. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding future occurrences of the P0221 DTC. Regular circuit inspections can help identify any wear or damage early on, ensuring that the connections remain secure and functional. In addition to circuit checks, cleaning the throttle body periodically is recommended to prevent deposits from building up, which can affect sensor readings and vehicle performance. Maintaining these aspects of the vehicle will not only prolong its lifespan, but also enhance reliability, leading to a better driving experience. By adopting proactive measures, vehicle owners can minimize the likelihood of facing similar issues in the future. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0221 requires a comprehensive understanding of the throttle position TP Sensor B and its critical function within the vehicle's engine management system. Conducting thorough diagnostics ensures that all components, including the throttle body, external circuits, and PCM, are inspected appropriately. Understanding the symptoms can prompt early intervention, preventing further complications in vehicle performance. Regular preventive maintenance, such as circuit checks and cleaning of the throttle body, can also be beneficial in avoiding potential issues in the long run. By embracing these approaches, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Civic remains in optimal condition, enhancing both performance and safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.